The other day, sometime towards the end of last year, early this year, there was a lot of noise around the government's program on universal healthcare. And today, more than 10 months from when we began this program, there is evidence of its success across the country. Interestingly, the church has gone quiet when we expect that with the same vigor with which they were raising issues, they should also be able to commend the administration of President Ruto for this noble initiative. Actually, if you look across the continent, there is nothing that compares to it. And that is why I would want to encourage the people of Osakwe SDA Church and the people of this region and the whole country that if you haven't registered on the Taifa Care program, today the figures stand at more than 25 million Kenyans. Please take your time. We have community health promoters all over the country. Homa Bay County has almost 2,000, if not more, community health promoters. It's 1,000 and something, 1,500. So that all of us get to register so that we get the benefit of universal health care. When we go to hospitals, we'll be able to find drugs, we'll be able to find medical officers, and we'll not have to sell our properties to be able to sort our medical bills. And for the first time, unlike the challenge we had with the NHIF, the CS Treasury has dedicated money through the Exchequer to support primary health care. So beyond the contributions that we make to the Social Health Authority, there is a dedicated amount of money from the National Treasury to take care of primary health care and also to take care of emergency and critical illness. So there are two funds, if I'm not wrong, that Treasury has put together, and they are funded. Now, you will not benefit out of this if you are not registered with the Social Health Authority. Omiyo akwayo jodala wani wayud thuolo mondo wa register. Homa Bay, I think we are slightly more than 40% of the population that is already registered. We need to move it to beyond 50% and get to 100% so that we fully